Now where is my, oh yeah.
Get out of there, we got casserole to make.
Alright, so we are going to make breakfast casserole. Now, what's special about this breakfast casserole? Other than, well, it's a breakfast casserole. We are using leftover tater tots. Yeah. You want to know how to use up leftover french fries and stuff? Well, here you go. This is what we're doing. So, I got some of these, and then, of course, I got some eggs, some cheese, and then some sausage. So the first thing I want to do is I want to brown my sausage. Boom, sausage. All right, so we got that brown. Now, I got 6 eggs in here, and we're gonna whisk them together, and we're gonna add some milk and some Worcestershire sauce. Yes, you heard me, exactly what I said. Some W sauce. So, we're gonna do that, and yeah. We're gonna add about a teaspoon of the W sauce. Okay, then we're gonna add about a 1/4 cup of milk. Okay, and then some salt and pepper. Okay, then whisk it up. Now that we have that whisked together, let's start putting everything together. So I sprayed my 9x13 with some pan spray. So we're gonna add our tater tots first. Next, we're gonna add our sausage. Okay, then we're gonna add our egg mixture. We're gonna add about 2 cups of cheese on top of this. Okay, there you have it. We're gonna put this in the oven at 350, and we're gonna start with about a half an hour. Probably work our way up to no more than an hour. But we're gonna kind of just wait until the cheese melts at least. And at least maybe until the potatoes start to get hot too. But we just need the cheese to melt over everything, and we should be set. But we're gonna start with about a half an hour and kind of keep an eye on it periodically, and we'll find out how long it actually takes. All right, so first off, this smells amazing. Second off, I'm very excited to try this. So we ended up going for a half an hour, and it turned out perfect. And so let's cut into this and taste it. Look at that. Look at the steam off that puppy. Whenever I do breakfast casserole, the one that my dad makes is really good. And he likes to put like syrup and stuff on his. Every now and then I'll put like hot sauce on it, but we're just gonna try it out as is first, because I wanna make sure that it tastes good before I start adding other stuff to it. But let's get right here where there's some potato and some egg and some sausage and cheese, because I'm curious to how the potato turned out. But here you go. Cheers. Wow, that was really good. The potatoes kind of rehydrated a little bit, and so they weren't, you know, that dry, refrigerated kind of potato, you know what I'm talking about? But they kind of almost rehydrated, and so they're nice and creamy, and they're nice and soft. The sausage is obviously really good, and then the eggs cooked really well, and they're not like dry or overcooked. This is really good. And the cheese baked quite nicely. I'd get up early in the morning for this. The pepper on top kind of adds a nice, like, not spicy touch to it, but yeah, this is really good. I'm really impressed because I've never done this before. And so, like I said, my parents have made something like this without potatoes. They use bread instead. But with the potatoes, it might be my new favorite thing right now. I'd say I did pretty good. That was really tasty. But there you have it, guys. I don't know what to call this. I guess just breakfast casserole or leftover potato breakfast casserole or something. I don't know. If you like this video, make sure to share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification button next to it. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what I should do next. And as always, guys, peace out.